aboard the Pioneer train at Knoebels. 1.5 miles of sheer terror into the woods. You never know what kind of wildlife is back there. I can be a nice person. There's usually little gray squirrels back here. They have little corn cobs set up. Let's see if we see any of those little critters. See, oh wait, no, just a chipmunk. Well, there's one. There is a gray squirrel. Two of them. There's another one. Where I come from, we don't have gray squirrels. I remember riding this at Halloween one time. And it's so dark back here. You hear any rustling, it's almost kind of like, is somebody going to lunge at us? We're going to get jump scared on the train, but it never happens. It's usually a gray squirrel. This is such an awesome park. I just hate the fact that it's like 5.5 hours from my house to get here. Because I would probably be here a lot. Especially on a day like this when there's not a lot of people. In case anyone was wondering, the flying scooters are kind of still in pieces. The supports are up on the tower, but the cars are still waiting to be strung. I'll add to the list of closed rides: Wipeout, Fandango, the Sky Ride, the Giant Wheel, the Flying Turns, the Looper, Power Surge, Italian Trapeze, Black Diamond, and Skloosh. There's probably some other like kiddie rides, like the slide I missed. So the park isn't quite operating at full capacity, but that's okay. It's Knoebels, I give them a pass. Not to mention, the longest I waited for any ride was, I think, literally like one cycle for the Phoenix. As you saw from the twister ramp, there's not much of a line there either. Alright, thanks for riding the Pioneer train. Thanks for joining us at Knoebels. Thanks for watching my videos, which, as everybody noticed, have been nothing but on-ride clips this year. Probably wondering why. You wanted honest answers because I've been lazy. No, seriously, I appreciate everybody taking the time to check it out.